Okay, here it is. 7 quick tips to help you with the law of attraction. These are quick, these are fast, these are easy. Do them now. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. Today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. These are 7 quick tips to help you with the law of attraction. You know, all the time, it seems like daily, people will call me or they will write me and they'll say, Robert, can you just give me a quick tip? You know, and I kind of chuckle a little bit because I think, you know, quick tips are great if you have a basis of understanding in the law of attraction, if you have a program that you are working with. So if you don't, I highly recommend you go to miraclehypnosisonline.com and try our 7-day free trial. Look you've got everything to gain, absolutely nothing to lose. Start changing your subconscious mind. Make your subconscious mind your friend, and well, it'll help you begin manifesting more of what you deeply desire. We have all kinds of programs, and we add about 3 to 4 new programs a month. miraclehypnosisonline.com. 7-day free trial. Do it now. Okay, 7 quick tips. I'm going to go fast with this because they're supposed to be quick. Are you ready? Number 1, be specific about what you desire. Don't say things like, I just want to make a lot of money. I just want to be happy. Say things like, I intend to make $100,000 in the next 6 months. That's specific. Be specific about all the areas of your life that are important to you. About your spiritual life. What are you doing with your spiritual goals? Your job, your career, what's going on there? Be specific about what you would like to see in the future and create it in your mind. Be specific about your lover, your partner, your marriage, your family, the kind of things that you desire to have in your family, your lover, your friends, that kind of thing. Your income. This is really important. People that are specific about their income. In other words, they write down a number and they put it up on the refrigerator or they carry it around with them. These people tend to hit that number. I've got to tell you, since I've started writing down numbers, high flyers, and I write them down for my annual number and then I write them down weekly and monthly. Since I've started doing that, and I've been doing that for several years now, I have never hit my number. I've always surpassed it. I've always gone past my number. And that's a good feeling. That's a good feeling to have a number and just blow right past it. But that number gives you something to focus on. And when you blow past it, of course, it makes it easier for you to believe that you can always reach that number and you can reach a higher number. And be specific about where you want to live, the kind of neighbors you want, the kind of environment you want, the kind of school systems you want for your children. These are all important. Specific. Be specific about your intentions and write them down. The reason I have you write them down, high flyers, I have you write them down because you take this vagueness up here between your ears and you focus it into a sentence. And that's what we want to see. That's what we want to create, a specific sentence, a specific intention. That's something we can use over and over and over again. Number 2 is set goals. I like yearly goals. I like quarterly goals or monthly goals. And I think that is very important. Write them down. Sit down at the beginning of the year and say, and by the way, this is your period of time from July to the first of the year. This is your period of time to think about your goals for the next year. And then write them down in December and have them ready to kick off January 1. And so set goals, yearly goals, monthly goals. What are my goals for this month? What do I intend to accomplish this month? And I think that's so important. Make certain that your monthly goals are always, in other words, if you added 12 months up, are always going to surpass your yearly goal. It's a way of hedging. It's a way of cheating a little bit. So if my yearly goal is, we'll say $12,000, that's my yearly goal, $12,000. I'm going to make my monthly goal around $1,500. And that way, by the time I get through the year, I'm way past my yearly goal. Make sense? Okay, just do that. Let's get on to the next one. Number 3 is micro goals. Every day you should have a list of goals that you intend to reach. These are micro goals. These are goals that you will achieve within the next hour, within the next day or so. These are small-term goals, but of all the goals, I think the micro goal is the most important, because if you don't have goals to keep you focused and on track in the destination of your larger dream, your larger goal, then, the larger goal is for naught. It doesn't have the power. The micro goal gives it the power. So daily goals, and you can set those the night before, you can set them in the morning, but whenever, set them. Do them, write them down, have them on a little piece of paper. Oftentimes carry a notepad with me and I'll just write them up in the corner. They're nothing special. I don't put them in a special notebook. I don't save them. I don't check them off that I achieved them. I just write them down and cross them out when I hit them. Okay, visualize your future with feeling. Number 4, you've got to have feeling, high flyers. I've talked to so many people and they go, Robert, I visualized my goal. And I go, but did you emotionalize it? Did you emotionalize your goal? Did you feel it? Did you feel how good it felt to be sitting in that beautiful custom leather seat and holding onto that new steering wheel of your new car? Did you imagine what it's like to drive off the lot with it? To drive down the block, to show it to your friends and your family, to take it through a car wash. I believe it's important to visualize your goals, but what's really important is to add feeling and juice to them. And so without adding juice, the visualization is kind of, it's lifeless. It doesn't have a lot of life. You see, you can either choose to live in your past, or you can choose to live in your future. I choose to move in the direction of my future, and that's going to require me to have new feelings, different feelings than I had in my past. And so visualizing and creating these new feelings, that's a big key, and I do it every day. I recommend you do it every day. I know successful people in all different walks of life use this technique or a variation of it every single day. Number 5 is set up a manifesting routine. What is your routine for manifesting? What do you do when you get up in the morning? What's your last thing that you do at night? What are your routines? Do you have a break routine, like when you take a break during the day? Do you have an evening routine? You need to have some routine and structure to your manifestation. Look if you are learning or becoming a high flyer, or if you're already a high flyer and want to go up in elevation, you have to have a powerful routine that helps you. So this is where miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching is so important, because it helps you develop a structure that you can follow and implement every day. Oh yeah, to empower your life. I highly recommend shamanic tapping and release, the STAR system, every day. I'm not big into tapping negative stuff into me, but I believe even a simple, quick 2-minute tapping session every day is going to have huge impact, huge, magnificent impact on your manifesting abilities. I am a magnet for money. 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 Feel that energy. Create that energy ball. In this case, I'm going to make it kind of a beautiful goldish color with sparkles. I see gold sparkles. Gold. Oh yeah, gold represents money and wealth. And I have this beautiful gold ball. Bring it up, pull it down over your body as you breathe in. Let it sink into your energy field. I am a magnet for money. Namaste. How long did that take, Rachel? 2 minutes? Yeah. 2.5 minutes. You can do shamanic tapping and release. You see, I didn't worry about all the negative stuff because that isn't what I'm focused on. That isn't what I want to tap into my energy field. I believe in the law of attraction. So likes attract likes. The more I infuse my mind and my energy field with the intention that I'm attracting, the more I infuse it, the faster it happens, the easier it happens. Okay, give something away. Give something away. I don't have anything on me to give away today. Give something away. I need to put something on me. You know, I don't care whether it's giving to a homeless person. Oftentimes I will give someone some time. My time is precious. I don't know about your time. It should be precious to you too. But my time is precious to me. I don't have time. We have shortcuts here in our office because we get well over 1,000 letters a week. And we can't sit down and read every one and respond to every one with an in-depth. So we have shortcuts. But every now and then I feel I've got to give something away. Because when I give, I receive. When you give, you receive. So give something away. So I give some of my time. Or I help somebody out with some money. I buy someone dinner. Do something nice for someone. Give something. And just don't give to your kids and people that you know. Give to the world. Give to those you don't know. And good things, oh yeah, I said it twice, are coming your way. Okay, that's paying it forward. That's what it's all about. 7 micro tips. Apply them now. Do it. Make it happen. Get excited about it. Get pumped up. This is your day. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. And I mean it. Bye-bye.